In this video, we shall come up with the 14 effective solutions to tackle the iPhone overheating when charging issue head-on. But first of all, start with the reasons for this phenomenon. Part 1. Why my iPhone is getting hot while charging. Software updates, charging accessories, intensive background processes, protective cases, heavy usage, battery issues, high ambient temperature. Part 2. How to troubleshoot iPhone overheating when charging. 13 fixes. Fix 1. Unplug your iPhone. Fix 2. Keep your iPhone away from heat source. Fix 3. Use an official Apple charger. Fix 4. Minimize CPU or processor activities. Fix 5. Remove the phone case. Fix 6. Toggle on auto brightness. Fix 7. Enable low power mode. Fix 8. Activate airplane mode. Fix 9. Install or delete crashing apps. Fix 10. Disable background app refresh. Fix 11. Reset all settings on iPhone. Fix 12. Update and restart your iPhone. Fix 13. Resort to Apple support.